Most men think women notice looks first: height, money, and status. But they're wrong. A woman can read a man in seconds. And what she's scanning for has nothing to do with physical appearance. It's control. Not control over her, control over himself. And older men? They either master this or completely expose their lack of it. Let me show you the 3 signals women pick up on instantly. And the third signal? It's the one that instantly separates a man she respects from a man she'll never take seriously, no matter how he looks. Signal 1. Composure. Not fake calm, not forced confidence, but real composure. A younger man spills a drink. He panics. He laughs too loud, tries to recover, and tries to prove something. But an older man, he has been through worse. He pauses, handles it, and moves on. No performance. That moment tells her everything. This man is stable. This man doesn't break under pressure. And in a chaotic world, that's rare. If you want this, start simple. Before reacting to anything, pause for 5 seconds. That pause is where power begins. And the next signal? This is where it gets uncomfortable. But before we go there, hit the like button if you've made it this far. Signal 2. Intentional attention. Most men don't listen. They wait. Wait to talk. Wait to impress. And wait to be seen. But the man who actually listens? He stands out immediately. He asks, "What made you choose that path? How did that change you?" Not surface-level questions, but depth questions. And more importantly, presence. No phone, no distraction, no ego. Just focus. In a world full of noise, attention is respect, and respect is attractive. Try this. Next time someone speaks, don't respond immediately. Summarize what they said first, and watch how differently they respond to you. Signal 3. Self-respect. This is where most men fail. They think attraction is built in big moments, but it's not. It's in the details. Clean shoes, pressed shirt, composed posture, and controlled habits. Not for show, but because they respect themselves. And here's what women understand subconsciously. The way a man treats himself is the way he'll treat everything else. His work, his health, and his relationships. A man who neglects himself cannot be relied on, but a man who maintains himself daily, that's discipline. And discipline is rare. You don't need perfection, just consistency. 20 minutes of movement a day, basic grooming, and decent sleep. That's it. Now here's where most older men go wrong. They ruin all of this with 3 mistakes. They try to control outcomes. They brag about the past. Or they lose emotional control. That's what turns presence into discomfort. Because neediness, ego, and instability are impossible to hide. Stoic philosophy said it best. Control what's yours. Your thoughts, your actions, and your reactions. Everything else? Let it go. That's what creates real confidence. Not validation, not approval, but self-possession. So what do women really notice first? Not your age, not your money, not your past. They notice your composure, your presence, your self-respect. That's the real currency. It doesn't fade, it sharpens. If this changed how you see yourself, hit the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which of these 3 signals are you working on this week? Because mastery is what makes a man unforgettable.